So this is exactly how to play MECCHA Chameleon with your controller on your PC. So the first thing I'm going to do, because I have a wired controller, I have to grab the wire here and I have to set it into my PC here via the USB, and the other end it's gonna go into here, as you can see. If you have something similar, perfect, you can just connect it to your laptop or PC. If you have a Bluetooth controller though, you have to turn it back here and then find the little switcher here where it says Bluetooth or the Bluetooth logo, and then just switch to it. Sometimes it just says BT, by the way, so just switch to it and then go into settings on your PC or laptop, and then Bluetooth and devices here, and click on add device, and then click on Bluetooth and then find your specific controller in there. Once it's connected to your PC or laptop, we need to then go into Steam. So I'm just going to go into Steam. Now I have to also turn it on. For me, I had to click on this button here to turn it on. You can see it's probably different for you, but yeah, just check so you can actually turn it on. And then I have to click on MECCHA Chameleon here. Apparently there's an update. Well, I mean, that happens, no worries. But you can see controller not supported, but don't worry. You just have to click on view controller settings here and then enable Steam input for that specific game, you can see. And then if you click right here, you will see community layouts. Click right here and see if there is any like good settings here. I believe this one is decent, so I'm just gonna get this one and then click on apply layout. So now I have that specific layout here for controller. You can see the controller works perfect for now. So I'm just gonna go back now and click on play on MECCHA Chameleon. So even if the controller says that it's not supported, it does so for almost every game, to be completely honest with you. But you will still be able to play with controller if it's inserted correctly and you're able to enable the Steam input. That's the most important. So now it's gonna of course take forever to enter the game, but I can like almost guarantee you that it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna wait for the game to start up now. So you can see it works here. It kind of works a bit weird like a mouse, but you can see I'm able to control it here with my controller here. It's pretty awesome actually. It works very, very good. But basically that is exactly how to play MECCHA Chameleon on your PC with a controller.